of the current, so we're obviously still in the COVID crisis, the pandemic, and at least in the UK, our hardware shops have been booked out. I tried to put an order in, and it was like a 2-month waiting list for home delivery. So we know that recently there's been a massive boom in DIYers. Do you think that's going to have an overall positive effect, having so many people wanting to build stuff, or is it going to have a negative effect in the fact they don't really know what they're doing and they're just going to start damaging things?
Well, not to be offensive for you, I would say that it's a blip in the radar of humanity.
Yeah.
I don't think it will touch. I think the greater consumerist drive of people, and in fact, I saw it with the toilet paper thing in the multiple rounds of COVID flare-ups we've had here in Australia. And Australia's been very good. In saying that, when you see supermarkets emptied, it's this sort of hoarding tragedy of the commons mentality, which I think is bonkers. I'm not sure people are upskilling because of COVID.
Right.
There is a touch of it. I know seeds are now hard to come by and all this sort of stuff, and I hope it instigates goodness. But if everything was to go back to what it was like in February tomorrow, I think the greater majority of the world would ditch all of these new pseudo habits they've got and go straight back to what they were. And that's being a bit of a negative Nelly, but I think it'll take more than this for people to really shift. And I hope I'm wrong.